Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on calls notifications in the Messenger app on your PC, especially with the latest update. Keeping your notifications active is crucial so you never miss an important call from friends or family. Let's dive into the simple steps to ensure you're always connected. First, start by launching the Messenger app on your PC. This is where all your messages and calls come through, so it's essential to have it open. Next, you'll need to navigate to your profile settings. Look down at the bottom left corner of the screen and find your profile photo. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu where you can customize your settings just the way you like them. Once you've clicked on your profile photo, the next step is to select Preferences. This section is where you can adjust various settings related to notifications, themes, and other app features. Finally, scroll to find the option that says Enable Notification Sounds. Click on this option to turn it on. By enabling notification sounds, you'll be alerted every time you receive an incoming call, ensuring that you stay informed no matter what you're working on. And there you have it. Following these steps will help you stay updated with calls on the Messenger app on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.